it's Lila from the Smith family, and today I'm going to be doing the Halloween slime balloon challenge. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. But this is how it's going to work. We are going to be, my mom, she put stuff in a balloon to make slime, and I'm going to pop it in the bowl and see how it turns out and see if it works or not. So, now I know what to do. I'm going to take these all out so I can put it in. I'm not sure which. Okay. I don't know which one I'm using first. Okay, I'm going to use the black one. I'm scared of this. I don't want it to fling everywhere. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I don't want it to be so loud. I'm scared. I hate popping balloons. It's like so scary. Here, for the first one, I'll make it. No, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay. That's like the scariest thing. I don't know why that's so scary. That wasn't even that loud. And I'm still scared of it. Ew, it sounds so weird. It's like boogers. I don't know where I put this. I'm just putting it on the table. That is so weird. So, glue, but it's like, I can tell because how sticky it is and how it smells. Because glue smells like glue. That's how much time we made slime. But I think it looks pretty cool how green it is for Halloween. So, it's all over me. I didn't expect. Okay. This is scary. Help me. I'm so scared of this and we haven't even. That was actually pretty scary. That's some more glue, it looks like, yeah. But that's cool, I like the color, how it's like green. Okay, so, very sticky, very messy, but which one are we gonna do next? I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna pop this. Oh, there's glue all over it. I can't hold it because how slippery my hands are. I'm scared of the popping noise. Oh, that wasn't that bad. I make it worse every single time I do. Oh, there's like little glow sticks trying to make it light up, but it wasn't really lighting up. I'm gonna take those out though. Okay, bowl. It's very messy. Those are both bound like little figures, if you can see. It's pretty cool. That's actually really cool. This is fun, but scary at the same time. Boom. Which one am I gonna do next? What is this? Wait, I'm scared. I'm gonna do this one. I don't know. Oh, that's glitter. That's actually really cool. Here, I'm gonna cut that more. I'm happy that one wasn't really loud. Well, this is actually pretty cool. That's cool. I'm gonna mix it at the end, but that actually seems really cool. Now, the last balloon. Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's activator, it looks like. Yes! Finally, we had made our slime. My hands are all messy. Well, we still gotta mix it. So, let's mix. Oh, this seems so cool. So slimy. Oh yeah. This is not fully activated yet. So, not even see, and this actually seems really cool. I need actually more activator. I'm thinking. Enough in the balloon. Squeeze it. I'm pretty sure that was glue. So yeah, I think we should add more activator. I gotta go get the bottle. Okay, I'm back with the activator. Well, I'm just gonna mix it just in case because I'm not exactly sure if it needs more, but I would think it would. Yeah, I think it does because how sticky it is on the sides. I should have never did that with my hands. This is me. Remember in one of our videos? I am a typo. Okay, I need to open this. I gotta get this open. Oh, my hands are so slippery. Alright, I have got it open. Finally. I'm gonna put that much. If it needs more, so I'll have it on the cup. Yeah, I think it definitely actually needed more. Stir with a spatula. Stir. And I'm stirring. Not too much here. There. So. I think this is really fun. I think you should try it. Comment down below if you like to see challenges like this. I'm gonna mix it. Oh, has bones all in it. It's so weird. So I think this is actually really cool Halloween slime. It looks like, right? But I'm gonna add some more activator. I think that's a lot. But I think it needed a lot, but yeah. Oh no, it's coming big. I think I added too much. And it's all ruby. I think we gotta keep mixing it more. Well, the bones are falling. I'll get those at in the end. Oh yeah, it's coming along. Okay, it's coming. It's working. It's so hard sometimes, but at the same time, it's like so easy. So I think I am finished with my slime. But I actually got these really cool containers for only $1 from the dollar store, and I'm gonna put this slime like into little pieces in there and give them away to my friends at school. And now I'm going to show you the satisfying moments. There's glue there. I'm going to go. Here, I'm going to do a swirl first. Okay, this is going to be fun. Well, it's so weird. It's like so runny. I got to make a different one. How I'm going to cook it. First, I'll cook it. Well, there's a lot of bones, but that's okay. Satisfying. I'm gonna actually try the swirl at the end because I feel like that would be hard. So now I'm gonna make a bubble, a slime bubble. Oh, that was actually really close. Let's try it again. Oh no, it's worked. I'm like so close every time. The bones keep hitting the table. Here, I'll try one more time. Oh, that was almost a little one. But now I'm gonna be trying to make this swirl again. Okay, but first I gotta click it. Oh, I'm gonna make this swirl. This is actually really cool. It's like so runny, so it's kind of hard. Oh no, I'm gonna try one more time and see if it actually works. This is so hard to me. I feel like it's like so runny and I don't know which opposite direction it's gonna go in. Oh, that was kind of one. I'm like getting it off my hands as I'm doing it. We'll count that as one. So comment down below do you like my slime if it turned out good? And I'm going to show you the containers I was talking about earlier. These little circle ones, and I actually have square ones. So, yeah. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. We'll see you all next time. Smith Bands. Bye! Hey guys, my mom said about the balloon challenge. And not slime balloon challenge. She said about